You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a name of Welsh origin. Yes, from Wales originally, therefore a little bit confusing and not necessarily very easy to pronounce for non-Welsh speakers, but we're going to be looking at how it's also pronounced in English. So the Welsh pronunciation is as Briallen, Briallen, Briallen. Okay, so you have this double L sound that sounds like Briallen. In English, it's generally pronounced as or Briallen or Briallen. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.